but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night.
Good morning. Yan, start na yung jigging tournament. Yan, bangkero natin. Box. Yan. Ito yung spot dito. Yan. Yung mga angler, papunta rin sa mga spot. Maghanap lang tayo ng spot dito. Medyo cloudy pa yung weather. Pero okay lang yan. Kaya-kaya yan. Good morning. First drop tayo. Gamit natin ang Agimat jig. Ayan si Joseph nagkakabit ng pamundo. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayan, umiikot na. Ang galing talaga ni Joseph. Ayan. So, saliwa yung ano, salungat. Good morning, good morning. Tingnan natin itong Buena Vista, ang productive place, productive spot. Tama yung malaki-laki. Wag muna to. Wag muna.
Fish on na, guys.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Like it really hard it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Uy! First strike! Time check, ano oras na tol?
I'm grateful,
Time check, 7:29. Good morning.
you know me.
Magandukay na Shell Jigging Tournament.
I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going.
First entry.
I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only
Bebe.
say it once. I'm gonna show you all the bad. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun. Yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it alone, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Diyan, may. Oh, yung line.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable,
Swang.
yeah, no label.
Woo! First fish.
Ayan ito.
Alright, first fish. First fish of the morning. National Jigging Tournament, first entry. Woo! Fish on! Woo! Alright. Thank you, first fish. Good afternoon. Time check. 10:41. Grabing init. Lipat tayo dito sa harap. Isa pa lang huli natin. Kailangan pa natin huliin yung pan-champion, mga master. Kaya sa nakagatan pa tayo. Dahil lang natin sa sipag. Kaya hindi tayo titigil. Time check 11:30. Isa pa din na dali natin. Sana madagdagan na. Good afternoon. Lunch na. Grabe, ang hirap, ang hirap. Kumuha ng huli dito sa Buena Vista. Catch up dito. Yan. Yan ba lang yung nahuhuli natin? Si Joseph sa bangka. Yan, let's go. Magla-lunch break muna kami. Kain muna kami. Ayan ba ngayon? Gutom na. Punta namin lang yung lake. Yun, good afternoon. Break time muna tayo sa fishing. Ayan o. May island dito. Kain muna kami ni Joseph. So, catch update. Isa pa rin. Hindi ayaw ni Joseph dagdagan. Woo. Right, so mga master, abang-abang na mamaya kakain kami. Yes sir. Yun, break time.
Buhol na lang, no?
Ano? Walang ako dito.
Buhol o kibo, murag ba?
So shout out kay boss. Thank you.
Katangguan yun sa lang, no?
Right mga master, magandang hapon. Tapos ang ating jigging session. Wala din na dagdagan na uli natin. Talagang isa lang. So congrats sa sino man yung leading ngayon. Pabalik pa lang tayo sa venue. Time check 5 na, 5 PM. Hindi na talaga nadagdagan. Mga kasama natin, andun na din. So back up lang. Mamaya sipat na lang. Right, kita-kits na lang sa venue mga master. Congrats natin yung mga nanalo. Peace out. Sir, ganyan ha. Tignan mo yun ha. Antayin niyo yung bawi natin sa kanya. Ha? Tignan mo, ganyan yan.
Baka sumayad yung ito.
Ganyan. Yan siya. Mamaya. Antayin yung bawi niya. Mas malakas tayo mamprang dyan. Yung mga setup pag ano, mga pan-champion. Yan guys, pan-champion na setup. May ilaw pa sa ulo.
Nabo.
Oh my god, oh my god.